So you've established your vision. Now, what is the way forward? In order to establish a proper and realistic action plan, the first step would be to have an assessment of your current situation. There are lots of ways to do that. The first thing would be to use benchmarking. There are lots of benchmarks out there, lots of companies that can offer that. One that I like is the Solomon-Ram study. It states that the best performers, the first quartile companies, spend 3.5 less money in maintenance cost, while at the same time having 10 to 14% higher availability for their assets. So it means that they are focusing their efforts, resources, and money on the right thing at the right time. A very important step in doing a reliability and maintenance assessment is to look at your delays. Lots of companies I've worked with have delay tracking tools, and it's very important to look at those delays to identify the source of problems and gaps.